So here's the materials that we have right here. This is the JBL GX962 speakers. This is a foam that they give me. These are the JBL grills. We're not gonna use those. This is adapter kit. This is a wiring harness that we may use. This are some connectors that just got from Harbor Freight, just in case. Okay, the first step, we're gonna take off the battery. In order for us to get to the speaker right here, we're gonna have to take out this panel, In order for us to get to the back speaker, I'm gonna try to take off as the least panels as possible. I seen in some videos where they took off the seat right here. They took off this. I'm just gonna try to take off this panel right here. Take off this. I'm just gonna have the seat go this way, and then we need to take off this panel too. For the seat right here, we're just gonna pull the cord in the trunk and plop it down. So we're gonna this right here. I'm just gonna pull this cord, and this seat is gonna fold this way. Ah, dang it. There's another one right here. Pull this for this. And let's pull this seat down. Unhook some of this seat belt right here. And there's this one. Oops. So in order to move this panel right here, what you want to do is you want to pull this seal. This weather seal is pretty easy. It just comes off like that. And from right here, you can see, you probably can't see it from the camera, but you have one clip right here and one clip right here. Just want to pull going this way. One, two, and let's see if you can see. This one is hooked onto the side right here. There you go. So this piece right here. So there's 2 clips that stayed on, so we have to take those. So we put the tool here and just pop it off. There we go. I'll pop this one off too. Put this back on. So this wire right here is the back dash cam. I just hide it behind these seats right here. Let's pull the seal on this way. And let's pull this way. There's 4 clips. I think 1, 2, 3, and 4 right there. That one always comes off. To get this unlatched. There's one more clip on the other side. And we should be able to, there's that clip. Use a trim tool. Just pop it off, like on the other side too. So it's up, almost dropped it. Alright, let's take this back panel off right now. Let's see. Let's pull up. There we go. Never mind. Let's remove this trim. Let's take this. Okay, so this snaps off right here. This piece, and you can just slide the seatbelt through. Let's pull this up. Don't want to break anything. There's a clip right here. So let me see if I can go around the clip instead. Okay, never mind. Pop that clip. Okay, there's that. And let's take this off just to make it easier. There goes that. This right here, and there's a wiring right there on the right. Let's check for any more wiring. Let's see. There's a wiring right here. Let's disconnect it right here. Pull this trim to disconnect this one. push. There's the speakers right there. Let's pop the right side off. There we go. There's a wire still on here. Right here on the right side. Let's leave that right there. So we still have a wire connected right there. Let's pull these tabs off right here. Okay, let's use one of these. And this one looks way better. This side. Disconnect the wiring right here. Push it in, disconnect. There we go. We have 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 10 millimeter. I'm gonna have to get another socket for this. There we go. There's the speaker. Now I'm gonna see if I can take this off and take this off right here and reuse it, or I'm gonna have if I'm gonna use the adapter on that. Here's the old one. Here's the old one right here. Here's the new one right here. Okay, so it's like this. See how the adapter, same side. Adapter like that. So I'm gonna use an adapter kit because on the positive, I can get this fitting on, but this is smaller, so I can't. Positive. So let's just slide this adapter in, and this goes on the negative. Not going in. There we go. So they give us these screws right here, and we're gonna align the holes through the adapters in. Let's get it going on. Let's get this on. Holes on this adapter kit slightly don't match. Okay, so they just, these screws just keep going. They don't, there's no thread on them. Start right here. It's got the sound, but it's very, very little of this stuff. Let's follow it. This way. Let's lift the wire. Route the wire right here. There's a little slot you can do. Just put the wire right there. And